In this video, we're going to try to replace the sway bar end link on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the front side of your suspension. Using your 19mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Once you have the lug nuts removed, grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. On our sway bar end link, we have a bolt on the top here. It's going to be 18mm on the bolt side and 18mm on the nut side. Loosen and remove that. We have a 15mm on the bolt side and 18mm on the nut side. Once you have that bolt out, I'm going to grab a small pry tool, work that out, and pull out the upper. Remove the bolt from the upper, install the bolt, feed that through. I'm just going to get the nut started on the upper. Install the lower. Install the nut. Tighten down the bottom. Going to tighten down the top. Torque down the nuts to 78 foot-pounds. Once you're done torquing this here and you install your wheel, go ahead and repeat for the other side. Take your wheel, bring it up, set it into place. And we're going to start all of our lug nuts by hand first. Once we have all the lug nuts on, let's go ahead and snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.